Blake Snell's actually gonna. He's. I was about.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. Got another radio from Jeff. This is an oldie. It's, matter of fact, he's got some information on the back. It's 1936. It's Awards, Montgomery Ward's, member of Montgomery Ward's Airline radio. Tube radio. I think it has 5 tubes. They used to call these radios a 5-tuber. And it's, I think, I'm not positive. Oh, okay, I was trying to read the dial like it was almost 2 different bands, but it's one band. It's a medium wave band, but it's got 2 dials. One, your typical kilohertz dial, and then on the bottom, it's got a dial in meters. So that's what was throwing me off. So I guess like 600 kilohertz is 500 meters. I guess that's the way that works out, maybe around that. This thing has tons of volume. As a matter of fact, I just blew my ears out because I forgot that tube radios, you have to wait till the tubes warm up before you hear anything. So I turned it on and I'm like, uh-oh, nothing there. I kept cranking up the volume, nothing there. Cranking up the volume, nothing there. I go, oh, gee whiz. I hope it didn't break his radio. And then all of a sudden, ba 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 ba. And I was like, oh my gosh. So I've only got this, if this was a clock dial, it starts at, say, 9 o'clock. I've only moved it to 10 o'clock right now. It's down a little bit. In fact, let me go to what I would consider normal volume. I turned it maybe to 11 o'clock, and it will go all the way around just like a clock, and it's got tons of volume. It's a wooden frame. The grill cloth is a little deteriorated, not bad, but a little deteriorated. Volume and tuning knob, that's it. And I'll try to turn this around and show you the back. It's in pretty good shape, 1936 vintage, pretty good shape. I'll get the antenna. Let me disconnect. I'm using an external antenna because it doesn't seem to have any longer a built-in antenna. The ferrite antenna, it doesn't seem to have it. It was probably one of those coil antennas on a backplane, and the backplane is gone. So I'm having to use an external antenna. There's, let's see if I can count the tubes. 1, 2, 3, 4. I see 4. There might be a 5th one I just can't see. Don't want to put your hands back there when this thing's on because you'll get zapped. I don't know what the voltages are on some of these tubes, but it's quite high. Big transformer there for converting from AC to DC. One of these tubes is a diode tube to get it down to half-wave DC, and then there's rectification going on. It's a little bit of hum on the radio when you don't have a station. When you have a station, you don't hear the hum. So I don't know. I'm thinking that's probably a filter capacitor. Like right between those 2 tubes is a big filter capacitor, and it looks original. That could be allowing that AC ripple to come through in the form of a hum on the audio. Oh, there's the 5th tube back there. It's a metal tube. Oops. I didn't want to put my hand in there. I got to quit. Where's Mr. Finger? Come and save me, Mr. Finger. I don't get electrocuted. Okay. So back in here, you can't see it too well, is a metal tube. And then so that makes the 5th tube. And all these tubes look in pristine conditions. So he's had this unit upgraded, repaired, and I imagine that they replaced some of the original tubes. That's what we're seeing here. And like I say, it does have an AC hum, but you can't tell if you've tuned to a station. You can't tell at all. That's about it. Awards, Airline Model 62-245, 1936 vintage. Thanks, Jeff, for loaning me this radio. Picks up all the stations in my area. Lots of volume. Nice little design here. The wood grain is pretty good shape. It's not perfect, but it's pretty good shape. This is an old radio. Golly, what do you expect? That's it. If you enjoy my show, please give me a thumbs up. And thanks, Jeff, for loaning these radios to me. I got like 4 more that he brought to me last month to show you. That's it. Bye-bye.